Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about TuteDude Designathon 2025. It is an event conducted by tech enthusiasts. So this video is requested by one of our subscribers. So I decided to make a video on this topic. So let's get started. So what is TuteDude Designathon? This designathon is an exciting design-focused competition where creative minds come together to solve real-world challenges through design thinking and innovation. Who is conducting this event? TuteDude is a leading edtech platform which is created by IIT Delhi alumni that empowers students and professionals through hands-on learning experiences. They are known for their project-based learning approach. TuteDude offers programs in coding, design, entrepreneurship, and more. How does it work? Register on the official TuteDude platform, which is free for anyone, and get your problem statement on day one. They have a YouTube channel, so they will be releasing the problem statement on a live video. Then submit your design solution before the deadline, judging and result declaration on day 3. Who can participate? Anyone can participate in this competition, especially college students from any stream, working professionals in design, UIUX, product design, etc., freelancers and design enthusiasts. So what are the phases of this competition? The first phase is registration. And then second one is kickoff and briefing, which is through their YouTube channel. And third phase is design sprint, which is a 48 hours of competition. And fourth one is submission phase. And the fifth one is evaluation and feedback. And the final phase is result announcement and prize distribution. Yes, there is prize for the competition winners. Now let's discuss about judging criteria. Mainly they are focusing on things like creativity and innovation, user experience, visual design and aesthetics, problem understanding and presentation and clarity. So who all will be in the jury panel? Industry experts from top design firms, senior UI/UX designers from leading startups, professors from design schools, etc. Then what all are the benefits of participation? You can network with top designers and mentors. You will get exposure to real-time design challenges, and all the participants will get participation certificate, and there will be opportunities for internships and jobs, etc. Now let's discuss about the upcoming event. So TuteDude has been decided to conduct a web development hackathon on 25th of July to 27th of July. It's completely online. It's a virtual hackathon. You can participate in this competition as a team of 3 to 5 members. The important thing is you cannot participate as an individual. You should have a team. If you do not have a team, you have to search and find your teammates anyhow, then you can participate. So the first step is register your team in this competition. This is the homepage of the website. So you can go here and you can register for the participation. That is of course free. The winner of this competition will get a cash prize of 8,000 rupees. Now let's discuss about the procedures to follow. The first step is register your team of 3 to 5 members. As I told you earlier, you have to make a team of 3 to 5 members, and they are giving a option here like if you don't have a team, you can click on reserve now button, and during the event you can join any one of the team by requesting them, or you can ask them like that. The next step is join their WhatsApp group. After registration, you will get access to this hackathon WhatsApp group community, and you have to add all your teammates to this group. And next step is develop and submit. You will receive your problem statement through the YouTube channel live video. So do the coding process, unleash your creativity and submit your innovative work before the deadline. But don't worry, you will get all the updates and news regarding this competition through your WhatsApp group. The next step is evaluation. Your submission will undergo careful evaluation to determine the finalist based on your solution and the explanation video on different parameters. And the last step is results announcement. The top 10 winners will be announced and the winner will get the cash prize. This is the schedule that they are provided in their website. So the first day, that is 25th of July, there will be hackathon launch at 6:50 p.m. That is the reporting time, and 7 p.m. opening ceremony. And after 2 days, that is 27th of July, final submissions. Like at 11 before 11:59 p.m. you have to submit your teamwork. You have to submit video solution and deployed link. And 3rd of August, there will be announcement of final results. So there will be winner announcement and prize money and certificate distribution. They are also providing tips to win this competition. First one is focus on the problem. Start by understanding the core problem before jumping into solutions, as this ensures your product truly addresses user needs. And the next is keep your design clean, no extra fluff. A simple and clean user interface makes the product easier to navigate and improves the overall user experience. And the next one is test it with real people. Testing with real users helps identify usability issues and ensures that the product meets actual user expectations. And the next is talk like a human, not a case study. Use clear conversational language instead of jargons or overly technical terms to make your message relatable and engaging. And the last tip is your video pitch matters most. A strong video pitch creates a lasting impression and effectively communicates your idea to the audience or judges. Here is what you need to submit. First, real user research to validate your solution. Second, a clear user persona to define your target audience. Third, the user flow that maps the journey. Next, high fidelity screens to showcase your design. A Figma prototype is optional but recommended. Finally, a solution video, which is mandatory and no longer than 5 minutes. This is the link to register for this competition. And for more contact information, you can use this email ID support@tutedude.com, or you can contact them through the phone number 8570818694. So these are their social media handles, like they are present on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. You can check out their social media profiles and get to know more about this competition and other programs, etc. So thanks for watching. Happy learning.